Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is IIIF150 Air Ultra, and in this video I am going to show you how to unblock number on this device. Alright, so to do this, firstly we have to open Contacts app, where we have to click on the three dots in the right top corner. Right here we have to choose Settings, and here we have to choose Blocked Numbers. As you can see, I don't have any blocked number right here, so I'm going to add one quickly. Now, to unblock this number, all we have to do is click on this icon next to this number, and then we have to click unblock. And that's how we remove numbers from block list. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!